How to update your iPhone. Want the latest features, performance boosts, and security fixes? Here's how to update your iPhone in just a few easy steps. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Software updates won't download over mobile data, so Wi-Fi is essential. Next, ensure your phone is at least 50% charged, or better yet, plug it in to avoid interruptions during the update. Now, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General, then tap Software Update. Your iPhone will automatically check for the latest available iOS version. If an update is available, you'll see a button that says Download and Install. Tap it, enter your passcode if prompted, and the update will begin downloading. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart with the newest features and security patches. That's it. Your iPhone is now fully updated and ready to go. If this guide helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tricks.